Friends, hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you how you can disable disappearing message in WhatsApp app. Friends, please don't forget to put your likes under the video. Also be sure to comment and subscribe to our channel. And let us get started with you friends. First of all, open the WhatsApp application itself. Next, you will need to select the chats where you would like to disable such disappearing messages. Unfortunately, WhatsApp doesn't have a feature that can remove disappearing messages from all chats at once if you have more than one. So you will have to do it separately with each chat. If you have disappearing messages enabled in multiple chats, so open a chat room and then at the top, click on the name of the person or group. Then scroll down a little bit and you'll see the disappearing messages option. Click on it and here to disable it, you will have to select disable at the bottom. After that you can exit and this option will be disabled. Then do the same with all the chats where you still have disappearing message. Friends, this is the very simple method you can disable disappearing message in WhatsApp. I really hope you found this video useful. Please don't forget to put likes, also write comments. Subscribe to our channel, friends. See you soon.